another unboxing video. Where's my knife? Got a few of these. Wait. I hope... Imagine I haven't got the rest of my kit. Oh wait, it could be in here. Now I think about it, I swear I ordered orange props, not green. That's the camera, the battery. I actually, where is the batteries? What? Oh, okay, so I ordered batteries for this and I haven't got them. Where did they go? Okay, so I'm missing parts of my order, so I can't fly this drone right now, which isn't cool. So the props are the wrong color and the batteries are missing. So I need to check with GEPRC, like, hey, where's my batteries? Because I paid a bit for those. And that was the whole point, is I can't fly this drone without them.
You on my mind a lot, don't need no time watch. I don't know how I got you in my pocket spot. Yeah, that's babe, need you every day. You like my oxygen, make it seem like the barging down. Got my heart no barging in, from the bed to the floor to the couch. Might wake the neighbors up, break you in then break you out. In the end we gon' make a child, then we gon' hit the shower. Part 2 we don't need no pause. Here with Misty we gon' get tipsy, don't need a power shot.
Oh, there we go. What an unusual packaging material. These are 1550 milliamp hours GEPRC Storm batteries. These are the ones recommended for the Mark V on their website. So where do we start really? Because last week's unboxing was, well, a failure because I couldn't do a full unboxing. It's like part 2. Failure! My plan for today is literally set this up. I won't be able to fly today, so if I am gonna do a quick flight test with it, it will be tomorrow morning. So if I'm gonna add footage, it will be at the end of this video. I have all my props now, so GEPRC not only sent me the ones I ordered, bear with me, aha, but they sent me green ones, so I have loads of props now. And with every order they sent, they even sent me these props. And also, I'm such a plum, but I didn't check this before. When you order the Mark V, you obviously have extra stuff here that they have in the bag with the Mark V. So we have a few straps here for the lipos. It even comes with TPU GoPro mounts and obviously like hardware for that, which is fantastic. I have a lipo battery grip here, so I can mount on top of that. That's something else I have to do. Also have like these 2 foam pads. These are for well, GoPro mounts or Action 2 mounts that you can just wedge in onto the top of the drone. So it would go like this at some point. So that way when you're flying, it's already at a certain angle. I'm gonna take this off and then this will sit inside here. I don't know if you can see that visibly, but that's what's gonna happen here. And then I'll mount the Action 2 because that's what I plan to fly with. But I'm currently waiting for 3D prints for the Action 2. It's currently at my friend Liam's. So what we actually did is, I really like these TPU mounts. So the official ones from GEPRC have a good mount here for the O3 air unit, TPS Tango, the power. Obviously I have to mount this, it's not mounted properly. Oh, are these called feet? I can't remember. Or skids, that's it, they're called skids. Front lip, rear lip, even for the O3 camera here, and then the O3 camera up front. So what I've done is I wanted, instead of having ordered spares from Etsy, which were gonna be like 150 bucks, I ordered TPU, blue color, and my friend Liam is printing me some new mounts. So I've done my best to find what I could on Thingiverse, which are free. However, with this, we found something close to, and then Liam has done his own design, and so I'm just waiting for those to come, hopefully this weekend or by next week. Before I go, hopefully I'll have some spare TPU parts for the Mark V. GEPRC Cinelog25. I already had this before and it broke, and the reason why I bought this again is I just like the platform, and I plan on mounting the Action 2 onto here. Eventually I'll get a 360 Go 3, which should be more ideal and suited for this, so it's not too heavy, but the Action 2 does work with this. Yeah, so this is going to be for the real estate videography type of jobs. That's what this is for, and obviously flying near people because it's got the guards here. It does work, set up already, it flies. Again, because the Action 2 mount is with Liam to replicate it, so I have 2 of those at least. So that's what that drone's for. Now the Mark 5 is my first 5-inch quad. It's a really well designed quad. So it has some weight to it. Obviously the battery and the camera's not even on this, but it is an O3 air unit. Freewell ND filters, so I do have that. So if I don't use the Action 2 as a camera, I can use the O3 air unit. I actually need to buy an SD card now I think about it. So yeah, that's what these are for. And I got the freestyle quad because they say with the dead cats, there is very slight different characteristics with flight. So this will be more acrobatic. I want to learn to be more acrobatic in my flight. There will be props in view. People say, oh, some people don't like them, others do. It really does depend, and you can just crop in to your footage, which is probably what I'm going to do anyway. I don't mind the props in view. Eventually I'm going to get more quads in the future anyway, whether they're X-frame or dead cats. I just wanted to go for the acrobatic version so I can get the most ability from the drone, if that makes sense. The reason I went for this one instead of the Nazgul iFlight is because everyone went for the Nazgul iFlight. So I was like, why is no one talking about this drone? Not many people talked about this, or there's videos on this. Peter Lindgren has this drone, aka Zlatan Ibrahimovic lookalike. He said this was a really good flying drone. So I thought, you know what, why not get this one? I've had good experience with GEPRC, hence with my previous Cinelog25, and it flies really well. So I thought, let's stick with the same brand. Now it's just the whole task of setting this up with the Goggles V2 and the TBS Tango, because I did get crossfire. The reason I like to separate it is because people say if you lose your video, you're going to lose your transmission, so it's better to keep those separate. So if you lose video, at least I'm going to have transmission with crossfire. Is there anything to show you here? There was a couple of things. This is the other thing that I bought. Now this is actually an iFlight tool, but this is essentially a wrench for the pops here. So that's going to tighten that up, and you've got a couple of screws. So this is actually pretty handy for the field. I have rambled on enough. So that's it with the unboxing. That's my explanation of why I have these 2 FPV drones. So yeah, I'm just gonna go to Cyprus, have some time off, a vacation, fly this quad, get used to it. There's gonna be more freedom in Cyprus because it's not as strict as other places. So I'm gonna have a lot more space to fly. But now I do need to spend some time setting this up. So thanks very much for watching. Let me know what quad you have. Do you think I made the right choice buying the GEPRC? And is there any tips that you can give me? There might not be a video next week because of all the traveling. It's going to be very difficult for me to be able to film. Hopefully the following week I'll have a continuation of either an FPV video from flight footage or from the DJI Air 3. I know I have to figure out what the next thing is. And if there is something you want to learn about the Air 3, put it in the comment section down below and we'll cover it in that video. Remember to give this video a like, to tell other people that you like this video and that you want to be part of this community and just join in. Subscribe for future videos. I don't know if I said that, I'm rambling on again. And see you in the next one. See you in Cyprus even. Peace.